What's going on, guys? Beard Wolf X bringing you another beard video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why your beard isn't growing thick and why it isn't growing full. So if you're one of those people out there that have a thin beard, you're wondering, you're contemplating, why isn't my beard growing thick? Why isn't it growing full? Well, continue to watch this video because I will answer your question. I also invite you to come on in and subscribe to the YouTube channel for further beard videos. And I also invite you to click the like button because it helps me out and it helps me to produce more free content for you guys. All right, so like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so why isn't your beard growing full? You have a thin beard. You have a beard. You already have one, but it's not growing as thick as you want it. It's not growing as full and as strong and as healthy as you want it. What are some of the things that you can do in order to grow a thick and full beard? All right, so there's 3 products that I recommend if you want to grow a full and thick beard. All right, the first product that I would recommend that I use on my routine basis and regimen is a thing called castor oil. Now, what is castor oil? Castor oil is basically an oily substance that you can apply on your beard, on your face, and what it does is it stimulates hair growth. So it's going to make your beard grow thicker. It's going to make your beard grow fuller. All right, I'll have a link in the description for the one that I use and that I recommend. It's called castor oil. All right, guys, so that is the first product if you want to grow a full and thick beard. You got to use it once, maybe twice every single day on a routine basis. You don't want to miss any days. You want to continue to use the product so that you can develop that thick and full beard. All right, the second product that I recommend is called olive oil. Now, what is olive oil? Olive oil is another oil substance. It's more of a natural product, a natural root. All right, guys, and what olive oil does is it moisturizes your beard, keeps your beard nice and clean. It blocks out all the dry and dead skin. It makes your beard moisturized, healthy. And as a result of having healthy hair follicles, whenever you treat it right, it's going to treat you right. So your hair is going to start growing full as a result of you grooming properly and utilizing the proper oils. All right, so the second one is called olive oil. I'll have a link in the description to the one I use and I recommend. All right, the third and last thing that I recommend for you guys if you want to grow a full and thick beard is to buy what is called biotin. All right, I'd also like to mention collagen too. Those are 2 things that I could say that you can utilize in conjunction. So we'll just make that the last one. It'll be biotin and collagen. Now, what are these? These are vitamins. These are oral supplements that you take by mouth twice every single day. And when they're used simultaneously, it can provide the ultimate hair growth. All right, so if you have thin hair, it's gonna make it thicker, fuller, darker, as well as stronger. All right, so biotin and collagen pretty much are the same thing. They're supplements for the hair, basically, just like vitamin D is for the bones and for healthy skin. All right, biotin and collagen is a supplement that is utilized to stimulate hair growth in your beard, on top of your head, anywhere that you grow hair at. These 2 products are going to stimulate that hair growth, make your hair grow bigger, stronger, darker, and fuller and longer, guys. All right, guys, so I'll have a link in the description to biotin and collagen that I use on my regimen so that you can grow that thick and full beard that you've always desired. All right, guys, so those are the 3 products that you need if you want to have a full, healthy, strong, dark, and long beard. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, I encourage you, like I said, to click the like button. I also invite you to come on over and subscribe to the YouTube channel for further beard videos. I hope you guys have a beard-tastic day, and this concludes this video. All right, guys, peace.